back to another Whiteboard series video. As you can see, the whole gang is here today. You got Roman, Leo, and Silas. You can barely see him making his video debut. We're going to be talking about what today?
Disability insurance.
That's right, we're going to be talking about disability insurance, something that a lot of people overlook and don't really want to talk about. Leo, why don't people like to talk about insurance?
Because that means something bad happened.
That's right, that means something bad has happened, whether it's wrecking a car and it's your auto insurance, a house fire and homeowner's insurance, death with life insurance. But today I want to focus real quick on disability insurance. The reason I want to focus on that is your biggest asset, one of your biggest assets, is your ability to earn your income. And if you are a single income family or a breadwinner type of family where one person makes significantly more than the other, being disabled and not being able to work is a big problem. There's two types of real terms, I guess you could call it, of disability insurance. You have short-term disability and long-term disability. Well, for today's video, I'm not too concerned about short-term because hopefully you have an emergency fund that would cover any period of time considered short-term disability. I'm more concerned about making sure you're aware of long-term disability and why you might want to have that policy. So a long-term disability policy is going to cover you for an extended period of time, meaning that you have had a major health issue where you can't work, so you can't earn your income, and this is where this policy will kick in. A couple ways you can get it. One, through your employer. Two, you can go buy your own policy. Employer plans are okay, but not always the best. Sometimes you may want more specific coverage or better coverage, and you might be able to go get that on the private market. Why is this important? Well, according to the Social Security Disability Survey, millennials, so my generation and a lot of my listeners and viewers and readers' generations, has a 1 in 4 chance of being disabled before retirement. 1 in 4 chances, that's 25%. So I think that's a pretty high rate of having a chance of getting disabled and not being able to work and earn income. So it makes sense to protect your income. So these guys, your guys and gals, will be able to continue living a good life without having to worry about finances while you get yourself healthy. So real quick, long-term disability is probably something that a lot of you have overlooked. That's okay, you're not alone, but now you know about it. Talk with your financial advisor to see, is it important, do you need it, what type of coverage you have, and what type of coverage should you get. There are a lot of very important details, like is it going to cover only your occupation, or if you're qualified to do another job, you have to go do another job. Learn all the details of the policy to see what is best for you and what fits your needs, and find a way to make that fit in the budget so you protected your family against an illness or an injury that keeps you from working. Well, that sums up our quick conversation about disability. I'm pumped because Silas made it through. He's got a game-worn Kobe Bryant wristband keeping his attention. Roman and Leo got to be here as well. Guys, why don't you send everybody off?
Bye.
We'll see you in the next video.
Boy, boy. Boy, boy.
Hey, we're back. We forgot one little thing to remind you. I'm going to be linking below, if you're reading this on allaboutyourbenjamins.com, there's going to be a link to an old article that I wrote about disability insurance with more of the specific details for you to learn and educate yourself more on disability and the details. So there will be a link to an old article that I wrote, old blog post about disability. So now we'll let you go, and we'll see you in the next video.